Join me as I dive into the world of CRVO stocks and try to uncover the expert insights that could change the game today. CRVO stock has been making waves in the market lately, and for good reason. As an investor, it's essential to stay on top of the trends and shifts that can make or break your portfolio. That's why I'm excited to share my expert insights with you today, so you can make informed decisions about your investments. Market volatility has been a significant challenge for CRVO stock lately. The recent fluctuations in the stock market have left many investors feeling uncertain about the future of this stock. Adding to the mix is the recent company news that's been making headlines, which has further impacted investor sentiment. It's no secret that CRVO has been struggling to gain traction, and this has led to a decrease in investor confidence. Another challenge CRVO stock is facing is the increasing competition in the industry. With new players entering the market, CRVO is facing stiff competition, which is making it difficult for the company to stand out. This is reflected in the stock's recent performance, which has been lackluster, to say the least. Furthermore, the company's inability to adapt to changing market conditions has led to a decrease in investor enthusiasm. The lack of clear direction from the company's leadership has also been a major concern for investors. Without a clear vision for the future, it's difficult for investors to have faith in the company's ability to turn things around. This lack of direction has led to a decrease in investor confidence, which is reflected in the stock's current valuation. In addition to these challenges, CRVO stock is also facing headwinds from the wider market trends. The current economic uncertainty is making it difficult for investors to make informed decisions, and this is reflected in the stock's recent performance. If we look at the recent trends in CRVO stock, we can see that there has been a significant decrease in value over the past few months. This is reflected in the stock's key financial metrics, which are all pointing to a decline in value. However, despite this decline, there are some experts who believe that CRVO stock is undervalued and has the potential to rebound. One of the key trends that's been emerging is the increasing number of institutional investors who are taking a closer look at CRVO stock. This could be a sign that the stock is due for a rebound, as these investors often have a better pulse on the market than individual investors. Additionally, there have been some positive developments in the company's financials, which could indicate a turnaround is on the horizon. Despite the challenges facing CRVO stock, there are some expert opinions that suggest the stock could be on the verge of a comeback. One expert has noted that the company's recent cost-cutting measures could lead to increased profitability in the near future. Another expert has pointed to the company's strong balance sheet as a sign that the company has the resources it needs to weather the current storm. One of the most compelling arguments I've come across is the idea that CRVO stock is currently undervalued due to the market's overreaction to the recent company news. This could mean that there's an opportunity for investors to get in on the ground floor, so to speak, and reap the rewards when the stock inevitably rebounds. The expert insights I've uncovered have given me a newfound confidence in CRVO stock. Despite the challenges it's facing, there are some compelling arguments that suggest the stock could be on the verge of a major turnaround. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, it's essential to stay informed about the trends and shifts that could impact your portfolio. Thanks for tuning in, and I'd love to hear your thoughts on CRVO stock in the comments below. If you're looking for more analysis and insights, be sure to check out my latest video where I dive deeper into the world of stocks and investing.